Hey, why are you late again today? There was a lot of traffic. Traffic or sleep? No man, seriously, it was traffic. Whenever you say seriously, I start doubting you. Don't you trust me? I trust you, but not your habits. At least I show up. Yes, that too half an hour late. Coming late is my style. That's not a style, that's a bad habit. You are talking as if you have never been late. I am late only on special occasions. And wasn't today special? It was special, but not for you. Oh, now you are making fun of me? Not me. Your habits are the joke. Fine. Next time I will come on time. I heard that line last month too. This time I will really change. Let's see how much you change. What if I come on time? Then I will treat you to tea. Really? Yes. But first prove it. Alright. See you tomorrow on time. I will be watching the clock. What if I reach before you? Then I will get a big shock. Don't underestimate me. I can improve. Your improvement story hasn't even started yet. You are making too much fun of me. I'm not joking. I'm telling the truth. Fine. I'll start fresh from today. You say this line every Monday. This time, I will really try. Don't try. Show results. Okay. Tomorrow I will set 3 alarms. Even after alarms, you keep sleeping. Because my alarm is as lazy as me. Now even your phone has become like you. Just wait. Tomorrow I will be on time. If you come on time, I will be shocked. Be ready to get shocked. Fine. I'll test you tomorrow. And what if I pass? Then I will accept that you have changed. Alright, I accept this challenge. Now you will see whether you win or your sleep wins.